y'all down. I gotta enjoy this shit. This is how I was rocking it. Straight all the way back. I welded this in last year, some bullshit. Ugly ass welds. Harbor Freight welder. It was cool though. Here's the second cat. I'm gonna be taking it off right here. All the way back. This bracket's broken. These are pretty common about breaking. Just gonna be replaced all the way back to the hanger. I'm gonna go ahead and heat these up, PV blast them, get that shit off. We ain't dealing with that no more. Second cat, go bye-bye. Alright, we're gonna start by getting this plate down so I can drop this shit. This is a 14 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get them down real quick. We got 2 more 14s. Bam, bam, already heat them up, hit them with some laser. Crack them off, get this shit down. And this is what we got right here. I'm gonna leave it just like that. That's how I like it anyways. But I'm gonna run this down the street and have my buddy in the machine shop, like in the weld shop, handle that for us. She bolts it up. Pretty much tight.